Buzzy B. Kids TV.
Look at that cat, so happy and bright, munching on fruits, oh what a delight. Takes a big bite of a juicy apple, purrs so loud it's simply magical. Munch, munch, crunch, crunch, kitty loves fruits, a whole big bunch, sweet and tasty, fresh and bright. Kitty eats fruits from morning to night. Watermelon, dripping so sweet, kitty takes a bite, what a yummy treat. Guava so soft, banana so nice, cool licking its whiskers, oh what a slice. Munch, munch,